You must thumb up and subscribe. Then you won't miss any city, your concern, and you have to share with your family and your friends. My education and career. Only the specialist who masters the real estate big data analysis can catch up with the market pulse, can help you sell high and buy low. Please contact me if you want to sell or buy. Technical analysis includes housing price status analysis, market temperature analysis, present trend plus top or bottom of market analysis, and future trend analysis. If you want to learn, please contact me. Housing price status analysis. April 2021, the detached HPA price of Richmond increased by 2.92%, which was $51,100. Its HPA price was $1,798,900. The lowest value of this wave was in August 2019, which was $1,458,800. From August 2019 till 2021, the price increased by 23.31%, equal to $340,100. The record high was in July 2016, which was $1,773,100 till April 2021. The price increased by 1.46%, equal to $25,800. Please note, the price of April was a new record. April 2021, the townhouse HPA price of Richmond increased by 2.78%, equal to $24,000. Its HPA price was $888,800. Its lowest value of this record was in November 2019, which was $761,900. Till April 2021, the price increased by 16.66%, equal to $126,900. The record high was in July 2018, which was $865,400. Till April 2021, the price increased by 2.70%, equal to $23,400. The price in April was a new record. April 2021, the condo HPA price of Richmond increased by 2.08%, equal to $14,500. Its HPA price was $710,300. The lowest value of this wave was in July 2019, equal to $622,500. From July 2019 till April 2021, the price increased by 14.10%, equal to $87,800. The record high was in April 2018, equal to $684,800. Till April 2021, the price increased by 3.72%, equal to $25,500. Please note that the price in April was a record high, new record high. Market temperature analysis. Nobody in the world wants to pay more money than the asking price of buying a house unless competition. Therefore, the amount of sales price higher or equal to list price divided by number of sales is an excellent indication of the real estate market's temperature. The higher ratio, the hotter the market is. The lower rate, the colder the market is. The sales of detached in April was 178 units. 89 of them, the sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price. The ratio was 50%. Think about this. Every 2 units, one was in bidding. And the townhouses, 168 units sold. 110, the sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price. The ratio was 65.48%. Think about this. Every 10 units, 6.5 units of them were in bidding. Wow, the market is really hot. And for condos, 305 units sold. The sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price was 159 units. The ratio was 52.13%. Every 10 units, 5.2 were bidding. And total sold was 651 units. Okay, let's see this. The ratio is so high. That means the market in Richmond was really hot in April. Comparing sales in April and March, detached 178 sold in April and 234 sold in March. The ratio of April over March was 0.76. That means about a quarter sold less in April than in March. And the sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price. 89 in April and 99 in March. The ratio of April over March was 0.90. Comparing these two numbers indicates the bidding is harder, you mean more in April than in March. For townhouses, 168 sold in April and 180 sold in March. The ratio of April over March was 0.93. Comparing this number, indicates less sold in April than in March, but not too much, difference. The sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price. April, 110. March, 95. The ratio of April over March was 1.16. Comparing these two numbers indicate the market is much hotter in April than in March. And for condos, 305 sold in April and 343 sold in March. The ratio of April to March was 0.89. Comparing these two numbers indicates the market is a bit slow in April than in March. The sales price higher than or equivalent to the asking price. In April, 159 units sold. In March, 144 units sold. The ratio of April over March was 1.10. This, comparing these two numbers, indicates that the market, the bidding war is higher in April than in March, and the market is much harder. And in April, 651 units sold. In March, 757 units sold. Any product's price depends on its demand and supply. If the order is high, the market will increase its value. If the request is low, the price will be getting lower, and the product may even disappear from the market. The real estate market is the same. We apply the market index, which is sales divided by total inventory, to measure the real estate market's demand and supply. The market is in seller's market when the market index is higher than 0.20. 0.20 indicates 20 homes sold per 100 listings. The bigger the number, the hotter the market is. The market is in buyer's market once the market index is lower than 0.12. The smaller the number, the colder the market is. The red line, 0.20, is the boundary of the seller's and the balanced market. The pink line, 0.12, divides the balanced and the buyer's market. When the market index locates in between 0.12 and 0.2, it is a balanced market. Let's review the market index of Richmond in April 2021. The blue line is detached. It slid down from 2017 and reached the lowest point in January 2019. Then it's hovering upward, and it was isolating from October 2019 to June 2020 along the pink line, which is the boundary of balanced market and the buyer's market. From July 2020, that we can see it's going upward. Then in April 2021, the market index was as high as 0.28. And let's see, the townhouse is the yellow line. And yes, it's slid down from 2017 and reached the lowest point in March 2019. Then it's going upward. And from October 2019 till March 2020, it was isolating along the red line, which is the boundary of seller's market and the balanced market. Yes, it is affected by pandemic and sit down in the balanced market. However, from July 2020, it is in the seller's market and is still going upward. And in April, the market index was as high as 0.77, which is very high. That means every 100 townhouses, 77 units sold. The condo, which is green line, yeah, it went down from 2017 and was oscillating along the pink line from November 2018 till April 2019. Then from May 2019 is going upward. We can see, and yeah, it did affected by pandemic. However, from July 2020, the market index going upward, which means the market is getting hotter and hotter. And the market index was as high as 0.48. Every 100 units, 48 units sold. Very hot. So let's look at the whole market. Is pretty good. Present trend plus top or bottom of market analysis. The weighted 4-line trend of detached indicates the bottom of this wave was in August 2019, and all we can see after that all 4 lines converged, and the golden cross located in March 2020, and because of pandemic, it's slowing down a bit, downward that cross, the blue line that cross the golden line. However, it's going up, in August 2020. Then we can see all 4 lines diverge. It became a bullish market. It's very beautiful. The weighted fall-line trend of townhouse indicate the bottom of this wave was in November 2019. After that, fall lines month, quarter, half year, and year start to converge, and month line, which is blue, golden cross the golden line, which is year line, in February 2020. After that, fall lines start to diverge and start its bullish market, and it's very beautiful. The weighted fall line trend of condo shows the lowest point was in July 2019. After that, month, quarter, half year, and the year line start to converge. And the month line, which is blue, golden across the year line, which is golden. In January 2020. After that, fall lines, start to diverge. However, because of pandemic, bullish market and bearish market start fight against each other, and the blue line merged with the quarter line. After January 2021, we can see fall lines start to diverge very quickly, and which shows our market is in a bullish market right now. Future trend analysis. Should you want to know, please contact me. You must thumb up and subscribe. Then you won't miss anything you're concerned, and you have to share with your family and your friends.